Hello guys, I came back with another unboxing video. This time I got Dolce and Gabbana NS1 sneakers. It was really hard to get because there was no stocks online or offline. So as soon as I got the stock on Farfetch, I just ordered right away. So let's have a look. It's a NS1 sneakers full gold model. So as you can see, there's labels right here. I always wear size 41 in Italy, and my size in Korea is a 270 or 260. Yeah. So when I get like a Nike or Adidas, I get 270, but when I get luxury sneakers, I try to get 260, which is 41. And there is no cover or anything. It's always kind of look like this. And if you pull this off, there's the shoes. And there's another one. And you can see the dust bag right here. Let me just pull out the shoes. Yeah, you see these. Let me get rid of these plastic bags. I mean, when I first saw this, I was so surprised because it looks much better in real life than in the video or camera. And let me get another. The shoe itself is not heavy or anything. I think it's just normal. And if you see the back of the shoes, it has a glossy effect. So it's much kind of like a goldish effect. And even the shoe laces, do you see these? It's twinkling. And the side is very soft, gold, laminated materials. And here's parts. And there's kind of like a transparent plastic in it. And you can adjust your shoelaces with a button. On the bottom, it says Dolce and Gabbana logos. Do you see? Made in Italy. Yeah. And inside the shoes, you can also see the Dolce and Gabbana Made in Italy logos. Yeah. This is first time for me to getting NS1 sneakers from Dolce and Gabbana, but I really like it, and it's so comfortable. And I recommend you get a one size down, or if you usually wear sneakers a bit like a roomy sneakers, I think you can just go for the same sizes. So that's why I got the same sizes, because most of the shoes that I wear is a 41 size in Italy. But I kind of like the roomy effect whenever I wear the 41. So I still got the 41 with the NS1 sneakers this time too. But it fits perfectly. And there's the logos here too. Really nice finish. To be honest, I'm not really sure when I should wear these shoes because it's so special and it really stands out a lot. But I really like it. And I think there's another stocks left in Farfetch, or some of the sizes you can find in official website. But if you're into like very rare shoes or sneakers, I think you should get it. Yep. And that's it for today. I think I'm gonna come back with another shoes. I'm not sure it's gonna be a luxury sneakers or just street brand, but I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much. Bye bye. And if you liked my videos, please subscribe and like my videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.